deep regret and concern about the explosion in Chennai, where one person has died and several have been injured. We condemn this blast. We don't yet know how the bomb was carried in the compartment. I'm told that it is possible one of the persons who has been injured could have carried the bomb, but these are matters under investigation. We condemn the blast. We offer our sincere condolences to the family of the deceased, and we are making all arrangements for the treatment of the injured persons. We sincerely hope and pray that they will recover.